Hello everybody, NASCAR Rocks 48 here, and today I'll be doing a review on my new 2013 Husky YTH 21K46. It's a very nice tractor. Just got it today. I love it. It mows really nice and it's real smooth. Got a really good cutting radius and pretty tight turn. Okay, that was the walk around. Pop through here. It's a Kohler Courage, 21 horsepower, 597 cc. So yeah. You got a fuel filter down here, up there, choke levers and air cleaner. Underneath there's the lights, battery. Nothing's loose on it except for I'm going to kind of push that though a little bit. My grass is really long, so I have to go back over it if I push more. But, it's not that bad. Throttle control, all the way up for choke, light switch, fuel gauge, the parking brake, cruise control, which I'll probably never use because I have a small yard. As of now, I have a small yard. Fuel tank, cap. The safety thing on the seat to where if you get off when it's running and the parking brake's not set, it'll shut off. Hitch adapter. This is for when you want to push it. You pull a little pin out, and then take it, and you can push it. It's a hydrostatic. Foot pedal control, reverse, forward. Here's the blade engagement. And yeah. I'll show you underneath it real fast. It's kind of dirty. Haven't used the washout on the deck yet. Blade there. Two blade system. The discharge is really nice too. Yeah. I'm giving it. Yeah. Cup holder, canopy hookup. The deck can actually hit the ground if you put it all the way down. Watch this. It's actually just about on the cement if these wheels weren't touching us. How far it goes. So I'll take you for a short drive real fast. Got your 4 keys right here. Stop, reverse, and run and start. So I'll take you for a quick drive out front real fast. Parking brake set. Really nice. Very smooth lawnmower. Sometimes it backfires, so I don't know if it will this time. We'll find out. It might. Nope, not this time. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. My 2013 Husky 46-inch hydrostatic. Thanks for watching.